Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and if you've tried to reset your Hulu password but have been unsuccessful, this may be the fix. This is how to reset your Hulu password. At least this worked for me. So something that you may not know is that, especially if you have a bundle, so you may have Hulu, you may have Disney Plus, you may have Max or something else bundled with it. The Hulu password reset, at least in my situation, I have Hulu, Max, and Disney Plus bundle. The Hulu password for me wouldn't reset unless I did what I'm about to explain. So what I did, I logged into the Disney Plus app, and then I performed a password reset within the Disney Plus app. And part of that password reset process is that Disney Plus sent me a verification code, I think, in my email, and then I entered that, and then I was able, within Disney Plus, to reset my password. Now, this may not work at the time of watching this, but I just reset the password to the same thing within Disney Plus. And after doing so, I was able to use that Disney Plus password that I specified to log into Hulu. So if you're unable to reset your Hulu password because you try a Hulu password reset through the Hulu app, the Hulu website, etc., maybe you don't get the PIN code in the email, maybe it doesn't allow you to reset it. But if you use Disney Plus, you'll probably get the PIN code, the password reset will probably be successful, and the new password that you specify within the Disney Plus password reset will likely work for your Hulu. So I hope this video helps. I know I got so furious trying to figure this out, but I figured it out. At least it worked for me. So if this worked for you, and now you've been able to reset your Hulu password successfully, please consider sending me a super thanks by clicking that thanks button down below this video. Not required, but deeply appreciated if you do, because your support, your subscriptions, your viewership, your super thanks, they help to support the creation of videos like this one. And I am an independent YouTuber. I'm not propped up by a network, blah, blah, blah. So your support is deeply appreciated. Hope this video helped. If it did, like this video, subscribe, send me a super thanks if you want to, and share with others. And also worth mentioning, if you're on blogs, etc., where people are looking for how to reset Hulu password, you can embed this video link, and maybe that'll help other people too. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.